Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add Fidelity to Rocket Money. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Rocket Money app and then be sure to be logged in. Now once you're logged into your account, here if you are new to the Rocket Money app, then you'll find the account add option right here. All you gotta do is tap on that, and now here select Fidelity Investment and then select the correct option from the list. Then enter your Fidelity username and password. If required, complete two-factor authentication, and then allow Rocket Money to access your Fidelity account balance and transaction for tracking. Once selected, Rocket Money will start pulling in your investment balances, retired accounts and transactions. You can now track your Fidelity investments or brokerage account from Rocket Money. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.